Hello and welcome to the Introduction to Informative Speaking. So in this short video, I'm going to tell you the first couple of steps that you will need to take in order to begin your informative speech, which will be our final speech for fourth quarter, which is really sad, but we kind of ran out of time. So what is an informative speech? An informative speech is a speech given for the purpose to, like it says, inform the audience of a topic. So instead of giving a persuasive speech or an argumentative speech, you are simply choosing a topic and telling us about it. So ultimately, what you will be doing is giving a 3 to 5 minute speech about something that interests you. So I have a few examples. It could be a sport like tennis, could be a person or a celebrity like Taylor Swift, or it could be a food item or any item that you want, like cheese. So you get to pick and decide what you want to speak about. It does have to be approved by me. Basically, that just means that it has to be school appropriate. So I will tell you if your topic is inappropriate, but usually that is not an issue. So your first task that you need to do for tomorrow or today, depending on when you're watching this video, for Tuesday, May 19th, is to pick a topic to research along with 3 subtopics, and I'll tell you what that means in a second, and write a thesis statement. So that's all you have to do, and you'll submit that information into a Google form that's called Informative Speech Topic, which you can find on either Google Classroom or Infinite Campus. So I laid out 3 examples of 3 separate topics and their subtopics, and then the thesis statement. So the reason why you need to have a subtopic is because it's a really great way to keep your speech organized. Instead of just saying, okay, today I'm going to tell you about tennis, it's like, well, that's kind of a broad topic. I have to decide what 3 things about tennis am I going to talk about. So I could talk about the history of tennis, how it's played, the benefits of tennis, and then that would kind of make up my speech. And then my thesis statement would be, tennis is a wonderful lifetime sport for many reasons. So that is one sentence that kind of summarizes my entire speech. I'm just informing people about tennis, and so that's kind of what that would look like. You can read the other examples. Again, if you pick a person or celebrity, you could potentially use these subtopic examples. You don't have to use these subtopics. You could pick your own. Just think about, okay, what am I going to share about my topic? So that's kind of what that looks like. So again, all you have to do for tomorrow is to fill out the Google form. It'll kind of prompt you and give examples on there, so it's actually really helpful. There's also a question on the Google form that says, what is the code word from the video? The code word from the video is sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Okay? So that way I will know if you watched the entire video. If you have any questions, please email me. I'm more than happy to answer. You guys are awesome. I love Flipgrid. It's really fun and cool. And I think you guys are doing an awesome job. So that's all I have. I'll post another video after we finished this part of the assignment.